Hi, baby girls. Yeah, you looking better. Yeah, you're talking. Meow. Hi, baby girls. You hungry? You want to eat? Yeah, want to eat? That's so good, girls. Hi, babies. Yeah, you look a lot better. Yeah, your eyes are drying up. You want to eat? Let's go get you some food. Yeah, let's go get you some food. That's a good girl. Yeah, here's a good girl. Let's get my baby some food. That's a good girl. So, okay, here we go. You hungry? Here we go. Look what I got. Hey, look what I got. See? Let's go get some. Come on. Now, you guys stay in here, baby. There we go. Yeah, let's go get you some food. Here you go. That's a good girl. Yeah, those are good girls. There you go. Hey, look at that guy. There you go. That's a good girl. Yeah, you're starting to trust me now. That's real good. Yeah, there you go. As you can see, I was actually able to get my face right next to hers. And she was not even the slightest bit threatened. That's totally amazing. Total transformation. I'll pull this back so you guys can see her better. I don't want to put my camera light in her face. But look at that. I mean, she's eating really good. Boy, she's tearing it down. So it's 4 o'clock today. I'm trying to give it enough time to get the food through her system. So she had a half a can this morning, and now she's having her other half of the can. And eventually I will start to ramp it up some. So I'm gonna get out of her personal space. But she's really coming along. She's starting to take interest in me. She didn't try to get upset. Surprising for being feral. But I guess animals truly understand those that are trying to help them. And I guess because she knows that she's feeling better, that she knows that I'm not a threat. And I couldn't have done this without you guys. So she's making an awesome recovery. She was actually able to get up onto this box. As you can see, that box is up pretty high. I mean, judgment with my arm, my hand to my elbow. And so she seems to be doing really well. So as you can see, the judgment of here's the corner of the cage, and then here's the other corner of the cage. So you see how small she is. So you can get a basic idea how large this cage is. It's plenty of room for her. So this is her safe haven. So she can feel safe and adapt herself here. And if this ain't good enough, then inside the box will be good for her. So I'm going to leave that like that for now so she can be able to see what she's eating. And I want to come over here and I want to check this litter pan just to make sure she's passing her bowels, making sure she's still urinating. Okay, yeah, so we got good news. More good news. So if you see in there, you can see she had pooped. But there's a real small, let me see if I can do this. It's a real small spot right there at the very tip of my finger. And it's just a very tiny wet spot. So she's urinating, so that's good. Uh-oh, she peed in her bed. That's why she's not in there. Oh, wow, I was hoping she wouldn't do that. That's why I put that bed in there, so she would have a nice, comfortable bed to sleep in. So the good news is she's recognizing the litter pan as a spot to go to the bathroom. So I think rather than pulling that piece of poop out of there, I'm going to put it in the litter so she can start getting the association that belongs in there. Because she peed in there, so she's getting the concept. So that's good. So I'm going to put this back down because it is a little chilly in here. I didn't want it to be too hot or too cold in here for her, but I didn't want her to be roasting like she was outside. She doesn't appear to be cold. She's not shaking. I really like the fact of how she's keeping good posture. So I'm going to try to look down here and try to see if I can see her incision and see if it's dry without disturbing her too much. It's okay, baby girls. That's a good girls. It's okay. I just want to take a look at you. That's a good girl. Hi, babies. It's okay. Yeah, good girls. Yeah, she's looking better. To some might say that this is disturbing, but when you've seen a cat worse than this, in her condition, this is actually a dramatic improvement. It's very heartbreaking. So her hair is starting to look better. As you can see right back in here, that's where, let me get my finger in there, right in that section there is where her back was laid wide open. And it actually looks good. They said they didn't see anything, and they almost didn't believe me. So, but yeah, this is amazing. I'm glad. So this would be the normal amount that she would eat for the morning, but she devoured that whole plate just about. And she's not struggling as much. Ain't that right, baby girls? Hey, Jamies. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Yeah, you talk to me, huh? Yeah, hi, babies. Hi, babies. You talk to me? Yeah, that's a good girls. Yeah, say hi to everybody. Hi, baby girls. It's all right. That's a good girl. I'll let you be so you can relax. That's